if I do, damned if I don't. You know I got a girl back home.